I am Monika from IELTS 9. Let's do, in fact, you will be doing this reading passage, not me. I will only share you, I will only scroll the screen on behalf of you, and you can finish this reading passage. So I will be sharing you left and right side both, and I will be giving you proper time to do practice for this reading. And please share me your answers in the comment section. I will tell you the correct answers for that, and in next video I will be solving this reading passage definitely. So let's start this reading passage. So we can read. It is Science of Taste related reading passage 3 was reported by some students in February 2026 IELTS exam in Australia. So it means Australian students from IELTS exam, those who have given IELTS exam, they had reported this kind of reading. So this reading is relish the flavor, how the brain perceives flavor. So this reading was like that. I am not claiming that exactly this reading was there in that exam, okay, but the level of this reading is little bit difficult. So if you can score 10 marks out of 13 questions, definitely you can get 8+ band scores, okay. So let's do this reading. You will be doing it on the left side. On the left side I am showing you reading passage, and on the right side I am showing you questions, okay. So I will be providing you time also. 2 minutes are there for solving this question, for solving this. So I will be telling you side by side the time also. So let's start. And yes, of course, please do practice with me. That's more important. And another important thing I want to say here: subscribe, like, and hype my video. And if any issue regarding IELTS preparation, please do text me. Whether you are from Australia, from UAE, from India, from Canada, from America, for UK, anything. Let's start your test. Before actual exam, you should solve these kinds of readings also. So first question is here. The reading passage has 6 paragraphs, okay. So I am reading everything, but you need to do yourself, okay. So first question here is, which paragraph contains the following information? Write the correct letter A to H. So these are paragraph names on your answer sheet. So side by side, whenever you solve any question, please do write answer in your copy. You may use any letter more than once. 27th question, 28, 29, 30 and 31. These are 5 questions. For this I will be showing you paragraph for 2 minutes, okay. Then you can decide your answer. First you read all the things. Just read it with me. The process of new food flavor is agreed on. For new food flavor, some agreement is there among persons or researchers and any kind of thing. The reason for some natural preferences. Okay. The reason why flavor has not been researched in the past. So past word is very important here. We need to find the reason why flavor has not been researched. So not experimented, depth in the past. Okay. The 30th, the explanation of lack of consistency in sensory analyzing data. So data kind of thing, analyzing of data is important to find in any paragraph. The 31st, the wider benefits to the knowledge of researching flavors. Okay. In fact, you can get PDF of this reading from me. So let's read. In fact, you will be reading A number paragraph. Okay. How I read the paragraph, I will tell you. So your 2 minutes starts now. Okay. So I am doing underlining the thing, and somewhere I will be circling the things. Are often used interchangeably. Strictly speaking, however, taste refers to 5 basic qualities, okay. Salty, sour, bitter, umami, okay. Smell plays. Here they are talking about smell also. Smell word is important here. It plays an equally prominent role in flavor, but is often under appreciated. Okay, try holding your nose and popping a strawberry flavored sweet in your mouth. You will taste the sweetness but not strawberry until let you go. Your nose volatile chemicals and from confectionery enter your nostrils. So nostril is also to add on the complexity. Irritants such as carbonation or coolness of mint. Mint is also are detected not by taste or smell but by trigeminal sense. Some sense they are talking. Part of the touch system adopted for the mouth. Now I have analyzed this paragraph. Here they are talking about smell, irritant and all. Okay, so when you will be doing second type of question, so you will always already aware about the keywords of this paragraph and the some meaning of this paragraph. I mean, the brain receives information about. So now I will not read, please do it. Now from this paragraph, some students must be thinking about this 29th number. But I would say, please read it again. Okay. Please go into the depth of this statement. Actual thing what the statement is saying. If you are getting past years date or explanation talking about, like here they are saying in the past 2000 years, whether they are they talking about reason. On the basis of that, please select the 29th if you think that. Okay, now coming to B number paragraph. Now this B number paragraph, please read it within 2 minutes. I am giving you too much time. In fact, the discovery of taste receptors has opened the door to mimicking, enhancing or blocking them for desired effects. So desired effects they are talking, such as increasing the salty taste of low sodium foods. The discovery of taste has opened the door to mimicking, enhancing, blocking, and reducing the bitterness of medicinal drugs, enhancing the flavors in diets for the elderly. However, receptors are not only part of the story. Scientists still do not fully understand how the brain distinguishing between mouthful of milk and a bite of bread or chicken tikka masala from an Indian restaurant. Okay. Some researchers believe that brain's response to stimuli is a simple map of receptors in the tongue and nose. Okay. Brain response to stimuli is, however, a more compelling theory suggests that overall pattern of signals creates a sense of specific flavors which are judged based on past experience. So here again past experience it is given. So in that paragraph also past word was there. So here we need to find, so this is a confusing one. Everywhere you are getting past word. A more compelling theory suggests that overall pattern of signals create a sense of specific flavors which are judged based on the past experiences. There are currently no useful algorithms to measure brain inputs and outputs subject. Okay, let me clear because there are currently no useful algorithms to measure brain inputs and outputs against subjective reports of flavor sensation. This lack of measurement tools is an opportunity for this, but a challenge of flavor fragrance companies whose ambition is to predict consumer preference. Yes, hopefully you must have got any answer in A or B paragraph. Now time is gone for B paragraph. Okay, now coming to C number paragraph. Now time starts now for this paragraph. 2 minutes. Throughout history, flavors have been prized for their, now history word is here, yeah, important. Flavors have been prized for their ability to make food more enjoyable and live in cuisine. For example, in 408, LR demanded more than 1000 kilograms of pepper are part of lifting the Caesar from the industrial production of perfumes began in France 18th century to remove odors from leather gloves, leading to the logical developments of flavor industry. By the late 1700s, extracts and essential oils such as citrus were produced in America. As when Germany became the first company to manufacture synthetic vanillin. Okay. Process of new flavor food is agreed on. The reason for some natural preferences, the reason why has not been researched. Initially, isolating and identifying these three ingredients was extremely challenging due to rudimentary analytic methods. Okay. The substances responsible for taste are present in trace amounts even in concentrated foods, crushed raspberries. After 1950, improved analytical techniques allowed the detection of these trace ingredients, enabling companies to create chemical libraries with thousands of. So now I got one clue for one information. Your time is up now. Coming to 2 minutes have done. Now coming to D number paragraph. Whatever we can see, you can read D number paragraph here. Okay, I will shift the page. Now time for D paragraph, and even you can see E also. So now time for D number paragraph. Okay. Flavors can be used off the shelf, modified or created new depending on the customer's need, following the GRS principle. Okay. It is a constant challenge to be unique. Says this person name is there. Side by side we need to circle the person's name. The leader of flavor research at this Swiss company, given them scientists explore tropical rainforest in hot air balloons, okay, to discover new tastes and ingredients, capturing their aromas, analysis and recreation in the lab. The most potent flavored chemicals are created through cooking, explains this person of food science at this and this. Flavors fragrance. The industry leader in America are the world's leading flavor and fragrance companies. For these companies, developing unique flavors often involves deploying and analyze to study this cuisine to inspire new creations. Okay, so how I am reading the paragraph and how I am underlining the keywords and circle the keywords also. You can also, every word is not a keyword. The reason for natural preference, the process of new flavor is agreed on. Reason past, they are not talking here. Explanation of lack of consistency in analyzing data, the wider benefits of a. Now D number. Now time for E paragraph. Okay, like artists, okay, blending pigments, professional flavorists combine 100 components to create a final flavor product. Okay, acceptability is measured through sensory analysis, where panels of experts, consumer testers evaluate the product. Okay, I think I have got one more option. Expert testers, okay, assess it against standards established. Strawberry sweetness or vanilla intensified in ice cream, while consumer testers provide general feedback on whether they like it. This process involves multiple iterations of refinement between testers and flavorists until an acceptable taste is achieved. So this acceptable and acceptability is coming twice over here, so you can find out the answer. However, as Alex, director of flavor excellence, notes, humans are not the most reliable testing instrument. People have different taste receptors and subjective. Okay, no, humans are not most reliable testing. People have different taste receptors, subjective interpretation leading to inconsistency. Texture too plays a significant role in eating pleasure but remains poorly understood. Why is rubbery but rubbery test is not. While the food industry has developed methods to measure taste, such as poking peas, okay, happens during eating. Now for E paragraph also, okay, 52. Time is over. Now H, okay, next paragraph is also there. Just a minute. Now I am showing you F paragraph also, G also. Only 2.5 minutes you will be provided. Read it thoroughly so that next type of question, finding location will not be a problem for you. Nottingham have developed an instrument called Ambrose, which analyzes the aroma molecules in a person's breath while chewing. This technology adopted by this has sparked interest, although results are often unique to each individual. Psychological studies of flavor, typically animals, rats. So here they are talking about animals kind of thing with robust taste receptors. In humans, techniques like positive emotions track electrical activity in the brain. However, these technologies are not yet sensitive, meaningful enough for flavor studies. An alternative approach might be, they are not talking about any animal relating research kind of thing. I don't think so. You can read it. So G paragraph, finding the right enhancer or blocker for a receptor often involves testing thousands of compounds, a task well suited to automated systems. Companies like this in California use high throughput screening to test compounds against taste receptors. Another biotech firm focuses on developing flavor modifiers, particularly bitterness. Nothing, they are not talking like that in G paragraph. Now H paragraph, I will be showing it to you. I have read within 2 minutes both the paragraphs. But yes, you can always find, I am giving 10 more seconds, whether F or G is matching with any information. Okay, coming to next paragraph. This is H paragraph, so much big paragraph, oh my god. But yes, of course, what to do? If the reading is like that, we have to read. The mouth is the portal. Now we are going to read the mouth. The portal entry of the taste is the final arbitrator. Okay, aversion to sour and bitter substances, caffeine, nicotine, for example. Portal entry to the gut, taste is the final. Okay, in it, aversion to sour, bitter substances, caffeine, for example, a liking for sweet and salty ones reflect the white choices, but that humanity's ancestors made in a hostile environment. Beyond these protective nutritional reflexes, our taste preference is largely a matter of culture and learning. The taste system is reasonably natural preferences or reason, lack of consistency, wider knowledge of researching flavor. Flavor is not there. They are talking about taste and culture and learning. Okay, culture and learning is also important thing here. The taste system is reasonably compliant, says this person name is here. Cultures are kept distinct by cuisines. Cuisines are distinguished by taste, but cuisines like have a habit of 3 years. So they are explaining something like that. Strong smelling cheese. Flavor appears to belong to a family of subtle perceptions, such as recognizing a voice or telling faces. But how does central nervous system process all the information needed to make fine distinction? The answer should be help flavor compounds as well as to perform tricks more fundamentally identifying the brain transform taste into flavor. Okay, something they are talking about. So you can also tell, you can also decide what kind of thing it is explained over here in this paragraph. Time is still going on. Now you will realize we have spent so much time for this question, but for next question less time will be taking for finding the correct answers actually, because we have gone through full paragraph, full passage. Now if you can select anything for H number paragraph, that would be great. If this kind of video is helpful for you in getting reading practice, please do text me. I will make more, but for this reading passage Definitely I will explain it in my next video. For next type of question, we can see here, I will show you true false not given is there. You can do it. I will give you one in next video I will be doing it.